Hi, this is Teacher Deck, and our topic for today are all about lines, and we will focus on perpendicular lines. At the end of the class, you should be able to construct perpendicular lines. First, let us learn the basic lines. Intersecting lines are two lines that meet each other. AB and CD met at a certain point. EF and GH met at a certain point also. Perpendicular lines are two lines that meet each other at a right angle. Right angle is 90 degrees and forms a perfect square. AB and BC are perpendicular to each other, and as you can see, there's a perfect square right here and right there on the other figure. Parallel lines are two lines that never intersect. AB and CD are parallel lines. EF and GH are parallel lines. Let us learn how to draw perpendicular lines. First, draw a straight line using a ruler, and then place a set square on the line, and draw a line along the other edge of the set square. That is our right angle. AB is perpendicular to CD, and we can use this symbol to write that statement. I will see you for our sit work. Thank you.